So AquaSmith sent me this air pump to try out in my aquarium here. So thank you to the company for sending this out to me. So you can see this is a nice little air pump for your aquarium. Really cool design. It's kind of transparent so you can see the inside, which is actually really cool. Really nice design to it. Also a really nice feature is this adjustment knob here. So right now it's on the lowest setting. So that's how much air is coming out. If I turn it up, you can see, if I turn up the max, you can see how much air it's pumping out there. So really cool that is adjustable. This pump itself is actually super quiet. Put it close. You can almost hear no sound there, so that is really nice. Super quiet. I really like this design too. Super cool. So it does come with some tubing, an air stone, and a check valve as well. So that's all included there. So that's really nice. So yeah, I got the size for the 20 to 40 gallon aquarium. So I have a 20 gallon here. So this works perfectly for that. They do have other sizes for different size aquariums. So make sure to check those out as well and get the right one for your aquarium. So yeah, there you go. If you are looking for a really nice air pump, super cool design, works great, and definitely give this one a look.